Bulusan Volcano spewed a kilometer-high plume of ash and steam on Sunday. Ash fell in several villages in Sorsogon, causing problems among motorists. Wait until Monday morning. Allison, a mother of 5, couldn't control her emotion after seeing her house covered with ashes. She said her husband and kids were at the foot of the volcano to harvest coconuts during the eruption.
Umiiyak yung isa kong anak kasi siyempre natakot sila. Sabi nila ang akala daw nila kulog lang. Yung pala na yun. Yung bulkan na pala yun pumutok.
Meanwhile, News 5 was able to enter Barangay Puting Sapa in Juban, one of the areas most affected by the ashfall. Some residents chose to stay in the area to clean up and look after their houses.
Dahil mga hayop, di maiwanan. Parang kwan lang to ngayon. Parang mahina. Hindi gaya ng nakaraan.
Personnel from the National Police, Army, and Coast Guard also took part in the cleanup operations.
Para tulungan po silang linisin ang kanilang tahanan at ang kapaligiran para mapadali po natin kasi titigas po yung ashes na bumagsak po dito sa ating barangay.
Bulusan Volcano remains under alert level 1, indicating low level of unrest. This means that the public is prohibited from entering the 4-kilometer danger zone, and vigilance is advised within the 2-kilometer extended danger zone. Volks has also warned of more eruptions, but the agency does not recommend raising the volcano's alert level, at least for now.
Hindi po natin nakikita na magtataas tayo ng alerto from alert level 1 to alert 2. Kapag nagsabi na tayo na alert level 2, meron ng magma. Kung talagang may magmang aakyat, dapat mamaga ang buong bulkan. Wala pa po tayo nakikitang ganon, imbes ang nakikita po natin ay hydrothermal activity, pagpapakulo ng tubig.
For News 5, Jenny Dongon, We Are One News.